In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure consistent branding on your e-commerce website through Canva. To get started, open Canva and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a panel with different options. Find the one labeled Brand and click on it. This is where Canva keeps all your brand assets together so you can reuse them easily and stay consistent across your store banners, social posts, product images, and more. After you click Brand, you'll see several tiles, such as logos, colors, and fonts. Let's begin with colors, because a clear color palette is one of the quickest ways to make your e-commerce website feel cohesive. Click on the Colors tile. The page will reload, and you'll be taken to a section where you can set up your brand color palette. Look for an option that says Add New. Click that, and Canva will create a new color swatch and open a color picker. Here, you can choose your main brand color. You can drag around the picker or type in a hex code if you already know your exact brand color. Once you're happy with it, confirm your choice. If you need more colors, such as an accent color or a background shade, just click Add New again and repeat the process until your palette matches the look and feel you want for your e-commerce brand. Next, move on to fonts. Go back to the left panel and choose the Fonts tab. Here, you can define the typefaces and styles that will be used for different text elements. You'll usually see sections for headings, subheadings, and body text. Click on each one to expand it. You can then select the font family, adjust the size, and choose whether it should be bold or italic. Take a moment to make sure your heading fonts are clear and eye-catching, while your body text remains readable, especially for product descriptions. Once your colors and fonts are set, you can explore the other brand tabs in the left panel, like logos, brand voice, components, graphics, icons, and charts. Upload your logo files so they're always ready to drop into designs, and choose graphics and icons that match your brand style. Setting all of this up once will save you time later and keep your e-commerce website visuals consistent, no matter how many new designs you create. And that's it. With your brand settings properly configured in Canva, you'll be able to design e-commerce materials that always look on brand and professional.